Do you want to send a video on TikTok message? You can send a video on TikTok chat conversation with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a video on TikTok messages. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, open the chat of the person you want to send a video. Inside the chat box, tap on the camera icon to take a live photo or video. To upload from your device's gallery, tap on the image icon next to the message typing box. From your phone's gallery, tap on the video option. Now, select the video you want to send. Once selected, tap on the send button. The video will now appear in the chat, and your friend will be able to watch it directly in TikTok messages.